It's much cooler in your stall. No, that's not to eat. Whoa. That's not for you to eat. It's all gone. All the carrots are gone. I have to go too because it's very too hot for me here. I love you, you know. You're like my best friend. My best animal friend in the whole world. Why don't you stay in your stall where it's cool? You got your 2 fans, you got your hay. What more do you need besides cooler weather? Alright, baby girl. You got a kiss for me? Thank you. I'll see you later, okay? What are you doing? You can't eat my... You can't eat my phone. You're silly. You're so silly. Alright.